Reporting speed. Presento tu tutor Miguel Ángel Malaver Martín. My name is William Naranjo Gutierrez. I am a math teacher and I work at the UNAR. Today we will tell you about Juliet from the future was appearing to have a conversation about upcoming events. Julie from the future had passed Chester there was good news about climate change, mentioned that things were improving and that dolphins had been seen in the Venice Canal. However, she was sure in this was true since she saw it on Facebook. Julie also recognized the seriousness of past events like the Australian wildfire, which suggested that for future events road changes wow people consider serious. She advised her pastor to pull an investment from the stock market and invest in some a video conference app. Julie also suggested making a quick visit to Costco to avoid future problems. When asked about how she recommended getting adults, the speaker acknowledged the children of the case. Juliet hinted the travel plans would change significantly and suggested focusing on getting fit, implying that regular exercise would be important in the future. Despite the problem had been, Juliet reassured her parents that things won't be too bad and that staying at home would be more comfortable than being in crowded places. She then asked her pastor what she went about the cats, indicating that the topic of their conversion may change. Thank you.